Hey, what's up, coin hunters, and welcome to a 50p unboxing with me, Richie. Right, in our last unboxing, we have the Gruffalo. Well, now we're going to do Wallace and Gromit. So let's get a close up of the actual coin, if it's going to focus on it, that is. Let me just block everything else in the world from this camera. Come on. Why is it not focusing? I wish I had like a manual focus on here. It's only autofocus on this camera. Right, let's bring it lower and then bring it up. There we go. There we go. So as you can see, it's from when they're looking out the window of their rocket, when they're on their way to the moon to see if the moon's made of cheese. Pretty nice coin. Very simple. Yeah, that's basically it when it comes to the design. And then there's the back with 2019 on it, and the Queen's portrait. Well, the front actually, but in this card it's the back. So let's go back to the front, the back. Go back to the front to the back. You can see that Wallace and Gromit are looking out the window. Wallace's eyes are towards Gromit. Gromit is wide-eyed, so make of that as you wish. But yeah, it's a nice looking coin. I think there's a bit of dust on the plastic. So we're going to open it up, add it to the folder, and we will see if there's any damage or fingerprints on this one. So let's just pop this open. I know a lot of people don't like when I do that, but you know what? I like to keep them all together. If you like the new folder, then let me know, because I'm thinking of, this is a prototype, thinking of putting some together. There's the portrait side, so quite clean, very clean, no major things. There's something above the G at the bottom, just under the Queen's neck there. Don't know if you can see it. That's no big deal. So we're going to pop it out. There we go. Discard the plastic bit. Then holding it on the edges, we will have a look at the coin itself. So there we go. Nice. We got a good one here. I'm just looking. I thought there was a scratch underneath Gromit, but it's actually his arm. But yeah, no major dings or anything like that. There does seem to be a slight fingerprint now under Gromit, but I don't know if that was just me just now. If you can, camera's picking up there just under his mouth. But that's no big deal. Right. I'm just going to lay that over here. Open up the folder. And then we're going to get to putting it into the collection. So obviously I did purchase this myself. No one sent it to me or anything. I paid from my hard-earned money. And this one's gone in nice and straight. Don't need to do the thing. So there it is. Wallace and Gromit has been added to the collection. Not bad. So that's what number from, we started here for this year, didn't we? This is just a regular collection, not including the 20, the fifth, what is it, the 50th anniversary of the 50 pences. We've already had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then obviously Snowman will go there. That's 10 50 pences for 2019. Yeah, what can I say about this coin? It's nice, but apart from this one, all the releases since I say Sherlock, but yeah, are all cartoons. I know Royal Mint are aiming for children to become collectors, but this practically this whole page, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins that are not based on cartoons, which is mental. There's so much more we can do when it comes to 50 pences, and hopefully 2020 will give us something better. I know we're getting a Team GB1, but yeah. What do you think of the Wallace and Gromit? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think they could have done something better? Um, or anything like that? Leave it in the comments section. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, which is somewhere down there, because we are over 5,000 subscribers now. So thank you guys. And I will see you in the next one. So take care, guys, and happy coin hunting. Goodbye.